Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you are doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to show how we can get the another $20 credits. So currently, out of 5 activities, we have completed one, that is the launch the EC2 instance, and then we got $20. Now today in this video, I'll set up the cost budget using AWS budget, and then we'll get another $20. Okay. So let's start and see. So first we have to click on that and like you what they have explained. Let me read that. Using AWS budget, you can set up the budget and alert when you exceeded our forecast, right? Your budget cost or amount, usage and amount, right? So let's go to the start activities. Then we have some template. So zero spend template, monthly cost and daily return. So we'll set monthly cost budget only, and the amount let's set $20. Email we have to provide like once it is exceeded, uh, which email it should inform, right? So I'll put okay. So after that we will click on the create budget. Okay. So So here they have mentioned, right, you will be notified when your actual spend reach to 85%. Then another one is the actual spend reach to 100%. And like if your forecasted spend is expected to reach 100%. So these three condition, if it is matching, then it will, notify us on our email. So let's create the budget and see. So it's saying congratulations, you completed the tutorial. Okay, and you know how to create cost budget. Okay, so that we can ignore as of now, and then see, these are the things which we configured. Alert, we don't have any alert. So if you want to modify this one also, like if you want to set something customized, you can set, like here they have put at 85%. So that also you can change and create. So as of now we will keep at default, we will not go for depth and see. Now let's go in credit and see if we have got the another $20. Okay, so that is more important. So as of now we don't have uh, that 140. It should be 140. So we will wait for some time and we'll see if it is adding here. So you can see the credit is added here, right? And it's now $140. Okay. And these are the services. Some of the user reported that they are not able to open some services. So we can only open the services which they have listed. Let's say I will show one example. So let's say if I'm opening EC2, I'll easily open here. Okay. So because this is the eligible in this free tier, so we can access. But instead of this, if I search workspace, that is VDI, and if I check, it will say like it's a incomplete registration. Again it will come to the sign up and all. Okay, so only the free tier services will be allowed to access through the discredited. If you, like some user that ask me that if we have to use how we can use that services and all. So you have to go to your account, and here it's asking to upgrade the plans. Okay, so you can click on the upgrading the plan, and then you'll get able to access that one. So what I'll suggest, if you have some basic learning, like you want to learn some basic things and you don't have to use much about this AWS, or you don't want that wide range of application to access, so you can ignore this and you can use the free tier till 6 months. Okay, and 200 credit is enough to learn beginner level of AWS services. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll connect for another video, like another activities, and we'll solve that and we'll get another credit. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. We'll connect in next video. Thank you.